Tell them roll out, now everybody smashing. Get ready, cause you know it about to be a problem. Hey, hope you ready, cause you know it about to be a problem. This the only way we know to go. Squad up, never roll alone. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together. Pull up right in your zone. Take over the street, that's how we roll. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together. Fancy when I drive, 6 cars in the driveway. Cash in the driver door, spin it, do it my way. Fight you like a matador, fresh out the catalog. One fall, we all fall, crew like dominoes. Paper chase by my notes, all my dogs riding smoke. Mob heavy like the Pope. For that pot of gold, we are not alone. Boy, better check your tone, you gon' need a lot of help. I ain't talking bank loans. Sit with us, table last supper. Toast to the brothers, some bad muff. Yeah, ain't nothing but pure luxury. You looking left of me, should be looking up to me. Preferably one of the best. She riding cause we next now and forever to death. Be loyal and respect, stay ahead of the rest. We just sit back, relax, doing things to impress. This is the only way we know to go. Squad up, never roll alone. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together. Pull up right in your zone. Take over the street, that's how we roll. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together.
Got no time to waste. Ain't no way these niggas stopping me. Oh no, flying from a mile away. It's not a problem, only real ones follow me. Look, and I can do this with my eyes closed. Blindfold 2 times over. Ride solo, I got women and got soldiers. I ain't tripping, can try get it, your night sober. Talking no melatonin, get it and fight coma. What's the fleet of a giant? It's feeding the fire. History be less than flee when they flying. You don't believe it, they try it. We don't believe it, just trying. I call the people to leave them 100 pieces divided. That's cold-blooded. And I've been this dope life for summers. And I ain't really going for the he say or she say. Keep it you for peace sake. I know this that bone you pick might leave you in
This is the only way we know to go. Squad up, never roll alone. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together. Pull up right in your zone. Take over the street, that's how we roll. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together.
Is you ride? Is you with all the burglarizing and the violence? If Jimmy got caught up, but you was right there with him. So the police asks you questions, you gon' keep.
We got everybody outside and I'm loving it. America 2024, Trump 2024, and we just living, baby. We just living.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly prints.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's more than Monday. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. Could be sitting, taking lunch. The news will hit you like a punch. It's only Tuesday.
What time is it?
You never thought we'd go to war. After all the things we saw, it's April Fool's Day.
What time is it?
Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. Tomorrow never comes until
Tomorrow is another day. Today is another bomb. Tomorrow is another day. Today is another bomb. Tomorrow is another day. Today is another bomb. Tomorrow is another day. Today is another bomb.
generation, separation, situation, dissipation, shot. Another shot, that's in the vessel crushing. Pop the heart is cold, the gun is hot.
We outside with it. You see all these Dieselr trucks, man. You see the way they perform. If you guys are interested, make sure you visit LGNDmotorsports.com or visit Dieselr directly for products.
Whistling overhead. Are you alive or are you dead? It's only birthday.
Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is another day.
All right, guys, we made it alive in one piece to the Nevada desert just outside of Las Vegas. This is a beautiful landscape. We ain't got anything like this up in Canada. A bunch of these guys are from Miami, so they just got oceans and palm trees. So it's a pretty cool spot to meet up. We got LGND, Papi, a bunch of guys, other guys out there too, having a good time with hanging out with some cool people, getting some good footage for you guys, and yeah, killer time.
Por mí, lo veo, tan cerca de mí, lo veo, ey, cuando todas las cosas me salen y cuando las cosas bien no me salen, estamos por mí, lo veo, me acompaña cuando estoy correcto y cuando me equivoco, de las consecuencias que yo mismo me provoco.
I got it. He's still learning.
Where's he at? Just got on jacked up stuff.
With a fire contact, nigga, LGND, brother. Hey, these things were meant to drive. I don't see none of that shit on any of your channels. Period. Dieselr all the way. Best programming you'll ever have. That was it, boys. That was it.
That was funny.
Hey, you know the vibes, dirty hand, clean money, spray trade, don't stop. Shout out to my boy Snipe, real shooter, and my boy O. And all my boys out here with a damn camera, bro. I appreciate all you boys. We're finishing off our day here in the desert. It's been a wonderful time. By now, you guys probably seen Lewis and I do a few donuts out here. We've had a great time. Like I said, we brought these trucks out to the desert because we wanted you guys to see the performance end of things. Being so, thanks to all our featured partners, Dieselr, Banks Performance, Polar Diesel, PPE Diesel, all the big diesel companies that obviously join us on the performance end of things. I really appreciate you guys. That's why these trucks perform the way they do.